अंदू वर्सा पणजेतूय लायटीची समस्या सतावपाक लागल्या आनी फाटले कितलेशेच दीस पणजेतय काळखान उरल्या. अजूनय लायटी आपालिपाक खेळटा म्हूण काँग्रेसीन विद्युत भवनांचेर धाव घेवन चीफ अभियंत्याक धारेर धरलो. प्रश्नार प्रश्न विचारून अभियंत्याक नाका पुरो केले. पणजेच्यान आडेक्स गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
डेली शेड्यूल कर लाईट ना ती शेड्यूल कर आम्ही प्रमोट करतात.
Now you are chief engineer here. Don't you feel that this year the instances of light going, current going is much more than the past? You don't admit it?
So
why? Isn't it the failure of your department?
Oh, failure of Mr. Reddy who is sitting there, chief engineer. Tell us that. No,
but tell me one second. See, tell me one thing. You have admitted that this year the instances of current going is much more than the previous. Why is it happening?
Last 2 years nothing was maintained, so that is.
So you are trying to say that BJP government has done nothing. No. BJP government has done nothing. Zero.
He is talking about his own incompetency. He is talking about his own incompetency. The last 3 years he has not done any work.
BJP ruled for last 5 years and now for 1.5 years.
So in other words, BJP government is zero. And this is being told to you by the head of the department.
Yes, correct.
That our government is zero.
You don't get scared because you are retired.
We are with you.
We are with you.
Mr. Reddy, they can't transfer you. They can't suspend you. Few months more and they will retire. You tell the facts. Even the Lord will help you.
Whatever the facts are,
He has said it.
we'll give it you.
There was no maintenance. See, he has said there was no maintenance.
Yes.
He has said it was done for the builder. He has said that. You said it. No, you said he said now. He said the last 2 years BJP government did nothing. So he said that the electricity department has been collapsed by BJP government.